And drop them drawers, I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
This is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And still keep it real, still treat you like a school. What's up?
That this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
I always look like wet. I love it. Anyway, so yeah. I'm sorry about the noise again, but I'm just going to go shower right now because I just.
And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this crowd.
Hey guys, so I just finished showering right now, and oh my god, I'm in a better mood now, as you can probably tell. But after working out, I started feeling very nauseous. So now at least I know I shouldn't eat then work out, because I started feeling so nauseous while I was just like, I always felt sick honestly. But then I just showered, I was watching Adiah Patron. So yeah, I'm about to get into bed now and show you guys what it is I'm reading. So also I have my trainer on. Like, can you imagine? Okay, seriously though, I'm sorry. What? But yeah, I'm about to get into bed now, and then I'll show you guys what it is I'm reading. Okay, so for the book I'm currently reading, no, I'm about to start reading, I got this from my friend Labake Really. I've never read the book before. It's part of like a series, like, so I'm about to read it. I want to start reading physical books, one of my goals for this month. Yeah. And you see the book I have a book. If you followed me for a while, you know that I've not finished reading that book. And it's my boss that gave, like, my boss gave me that book, yeah. So it's like, you know, I don't know. It's just weird, friend. It's weird. So I want to read something that's not coerced, something I've not been coerced to read. So I want to see how I like it, and then probably I'll get physical copies of the books I actually want to read. So yeah, cheers to my books. So I'm just gonna read this and I'll let you guys know how I like it, and that will honestly be it for this night, guys. Like, I can't even be bothered. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye. vlog. I haven't spoken much in this vlog, but happy Friday. It's actually morning. I showered a while ago. I'm getting ready for work. I woke up a bit late. See, I woke up later than I usually wake up, but then I went on my phone. So I just want to have breakfast now. Oh my god, I don't think I gave you guys an update on this book, but I actually really like it. I just read 30 minutes before I go to bed, you know, kind of like to wind down, because I don't know if I mentioned, but lately I've been having migraines when I wake up just because of how much screen time I have. So that's kind of like to reduce my screen time, and I absolutely love it. It's really interesting. Okay, I really wish the salad, the lettuce cups were bigger, but I feel it in my chest at night. I want that. I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you. Like normally, how many hours is the trip?
Huh?
Is it from here to like Shagamu? Is it supposed to take too long?
No, and the traffic now, I know that they do that Mowe road.